What is happening, guys? Back again with another video, and today we're looking at the Apple Education Event live blog in Chicago. And to be honest, guys, this is very underwhelming. I thought there'll be more things that they'll announce. Nevertheless, let's get started. Basically, they look at products that we'll be using for the education, and what they have here is they revamp the iPad and slap on some iPad Pro capabilities so that the classrooms are able to use it. They talked about focusing on liberal arts and also technology. We think it's an honor to be able to support teachers. They emphasize on how great teachers are in this event and especially making their life easier. They also emphasize on everyone can create. All they need is the tools, but everyone can create. So they have a campaign that says everyone can code and everyone can create. Really focus on creativity. Tim Cook also summarizes the new iPad with support for Apple Pencil and AR apps for the classroom. And then they start showing the capabilities of the new iPad that they will be selling today, which is HD video camera. This one's only the 8 megapixel camera. It also comes with microphone and stereo speakers. It also supports Apple Pencil, built-in camera front and back. One thing I've noticed here is it doesn't support the smart connector, so it doesn't support the smart keyboard, but you could still use Bluetooth keyboard. Logitech has announced a $50 crayon stylus and keyboard case that works with the iPad. This is very odd for Apple to announce third party like that, but that's really cool that they are starting to do that. And then they showed off schoolwork and a lot more class kit apps for classrooms. I know teachers, they love handouts and stuff like that, so they would be able to have a 200 gig of iCloud storage. That's really cool. You can make handouts with PDFs, links, docs. It looks like literally as easy as sending an email. Yeah, they even have a classroom for Mac for teachers to see their students and also hand out stuff to their students. So basically everything being on a computer now and more friendly for everyone. Apple is stepping up the game to make it easy for everyone, teachers and students. And then they also talked about the iWorks. They almost forgot. There's the GarageBand, iMovie, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, all these things the kids can use as well. For schools, the iPad starts from $299. That's a US price. For everyone, it would cost $329. Here in Canada, it would be $430. They said that there's no doubt that AR is going to dramatically change the way this generation learns. They have showed off the Froggypedia app by DesignMate. There's also Free Rivers by World Wildlife Fund, so the kids can see and learn more from a certain place in the world. There's also the Boulevard AR, where it shows off teacher drew 3D model, and then it shows off what it is in a kid's iPad. It's really cool stuff, guys. And then they added the multitask for the iPad, so now you can have it on just the iPad, not the iPad Pro, where you could have two apps side by side. The iPad also comes with the Touch ID. Not sure if it's first generation or second generation, but it also comes with the HD FaceTime camera on the front, 10 hours of battery life. Pretty much the same as what I had on my last video, 9.7 iPad Pro, except the iPad Pro 9.7 would only have a A9X chip, and this one has an A10 Fusion chip. So that's really cool that Apple used really high standard chip for the low-end iPad. For me, like I said, this is very underwhelming. It's not a big event like WWDC, but at least it's nice to see Apple focusing more on education and cheaper end models. I'm not forgetting that. That's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.